Yo, what's up guys? Rexer slash Burzer here slash I don't even care. We are doing my big wing today. It's all carbon fiber. When I say all, I mean just the top. I was lying. But you know, we got the side pieces to put on and everything. It's gonna be a pretty massive wing. Hopefully it's not too big though. So I'm gonna start off by assembling it. I have a bunch of hardware, so I'm just gonna build the wing and then I'm gonna mount it up top and see how fitment looks and all that, and figure out exactly where to drill into my trunk, because I'm gonna have to drill into it. I know, I'm sorry, but gotta do it. Okay, so far I have a couple brackets and random little circle pieces. I don't even know what they are. I have this, which again, I don't even know. Like, there's no directions to this. You just kind of have to, you know, figure it out. Bunch of bolts. It's gonna be a little bit confusing, but I'm just gonna send it. Alright, I already put these parts together. All it was 3 screws on the bottom. They kind of sucked putting in. Like, none of them wanted to go in straight. It's not really exactly like in there perfect, but it's holding up. It's not gonna come out ever, so that's good. We got both of them set up now, so gonna go ahead and put on the carbon fiber piece. I like to call it. Yeah, so far doing this is janky as can be. One of these holes is filled with plastic. Where you're supposed to put the screw in, it's literally filled with plastic. You can see the black stuff in there right now. And we're still just gonna try sanding it. But yeah, and obviously I was talking about these, how they went in crooked and there was no way to put them in straight as the holes, none of them lined up. This, he's trying to figure out how to make these holes line up now, which you got them pretty good now. Not bad. You want to start putting some screws in there, and then hopefully he can get this to work. I think he's getting it. He had to use a big screwdriver to get through all that. Right. Still not really tightening all the way though. Gotta keep working on that. All right, guys. So the wing is made. We've been working on this for a long time. Like, it's all like, it doesn't really fit properly, but I don't know. Like, it's because the screws and everything are weird on this. And now for us to put this on the car itself, we're gonna have to drill into my trunk, and I don't feel comfortable doing that because where it's supposed to be drilled in at, it's like multiple layers, and look how big these screws are. They gave us these small little puny screws, and this will not fit the thickness of my trunk, so I'm gonna have somebody else do it for me. But yeah, that'll be done in a week or so. But once that's done, it's done. Like, this wing will be on my car. It's gonna mock up really good. It's gonna be a pretty big wing, but it's gonna look good with my exhaust and my taillights, wing. And obviously I'm gonna get a full exhaust and a tune, and it's gonna look sick, and it's gonna be sounding really good too with unequal headers and all that. So I tried finding tutorials on YouTube on how to do it yourself, but every single person took their car to a shop to get it done for them. So that's what I'm doing. I'm taking it to a shop to get it done. Obviously I built the wing already. I just have to have it bolted on, like bolts, screw holes drilled into my trunk and then put on. But hopefully the shop that does it well, and it looks just good and everything. But that is it. Hope you guys enjoy this video, even though it's not on yet. Be on soon. Peace out. It's been a couple days, but now I'm about to go head out in his 86, and the wing is still on there looking fresh. I love his car, but now I'm gonna go pick up my car with the wing. Oh, you turn the taillights on? Yeah, dude, that's so clean. Now I'm gonna go pick up my car now with the wing on it, and it's gonna look sick. Can't wait. Yeah, I am so excited to show you guys my brand new spoiler on my BRZ. And my girlfriend actually bought this for me. And I know, yes, I got a wifer. This is her ring to me. It's a ring wing. So yeah, I love her for it. It looks so good. And I love how my tailpipes are popping out and how big the wing is. I just gotta get my taillights to come in. But man, it is sick. This is the Carbon Reproductions NS style wing. So it was around like $440, I believe, and it's real carbon fiber for the top, and the 2 side pieces are gloss black along with this. And I think it came out perfect. And it doesn't block your rear view at all. Like, you can see in the rear view mirror, you can see perfectly under it. So it's like an STI wing, and I love it because I do have a Subaru, so you know I have to get that STI type wing out of the whole trifecta group we got going on. And now to the part that I'm going to show you that was stupid was, well, you guys saw, if you guys saw my video of building the wings, I built the wing first and then I had a different company install it for a lot of reasons, so I'm going to show you right now. So first, in that video, it was all the panels, everything, and getting everything to line up was not good at all. And I had to give it to this company to install it for me because it only came with, so the main screws were like right here and here. There's supposed to be 2 screws holding this side in and 2 more holding this side in. But when they installed it, they said that the wing was super flimsy, so it was not gonna stay on. Like, it was just all wobbly and it was making noises. So they actually had to add in an extra screw right here and another screw right here. So they added in 2 more screws on both sides just to make this thing actually stable. And these bolts, I do have little covers for them, like this one's covered up, but I haven't put them on yet, which no one's gonna see the bottom of it anyways. But yeah, some of these screws in here are like kind of lopsided. That's because, again, the bolt holes were not lining up. Everything was going like these ones are perfect in there. This one's, yeah, this is a little bit sideways, but that one's really sideways. Like, a lot of these holes were not lining up. And then this little piece that comes, that blocks the bolts, because this bolt's in there, holes that weren't lining up as well. Building the wing and installing it yourself will probably be really hard. I recommend you to take it somewhere to get it done. I did build it pretty well. The guy, whenever he put the wing on, he said that you did have to loosen one side to make it line up perfect, but he has this lined up seriously perfect. You could not have done a better job than what these guys have done. So I'm glad for them to install it, because they have to put extra bolts in it and put extra like whatever in there. It did cost more than I expected. I was hoping it would only cost like $150, and it costed like $230, but I think it was worth it. It looks sick. So now I just got to get my full exhaust on, my taillights, and I'm thinking about wheels, but wheels are kind of expensive, and well, the full exhaust is too, but the full exhaust will give me more power, so I'll tune it and everything as well. But I just think my car looks so mean now with that big wing. Like, look at that. It looks so clean. And if you're tall enough, you can easily see it from the front when looking down at it. It just looks sick. Yeah, I'm in love with my car, but that's the next mods I'm doing is probably full exhaust and a tune. I was thinking maybe wheels and front lip, but honestly I love the way that the front of my car looks. And my wheels, if I were to get wheels, they'd probably NKs, but I'm not too sure. But yeah, I'll go ahead and go into my interior and show the visibility out the back. So I look at my rearview mirror, you can see part of my wing right there, all the way across on that side, but it doesn't block my visibility at all, so I love it for that. Coming out every day to my car with this big wing is just awesome. Again, I cannot wait for my taillights. I don't know why they're taking so long. It says it's supposed to be shipping from like the factory, which takes like 3 to 4 weeks, but it's been more than 3 to 4 weeks now, and it still is not shipped. So I don't know what's going on there. I would get a couple drive-bys or something, but I don't have anyone to film right now. But I don't really mind. I hope you guys don't mind. I will have videos of it driving and all that with the wing on. Hopefully a lot more mods on pretty soon. Not soon, but you know, within the next couple of months. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and hope you guys pick this wing if you guys want it. If not, then don't buy it, you know. Like I said, it's going to cost some installation money if you can't do it yourself, because those bolts are pretty stubborn, I would say. But yeah, and like you have to drill in more holes. You cannot just use the factory holes on that wing. You have to add more in. But other than that, it looks sick. So yeah, that's it. Have a great day and peace.